In this video, we're going to learn about exact equal parts. So if we have a problem like this one that says select the picture that shows equal parts, and we have three figures here. So let's take a look at this rectangle. We could see here that this is not divided into exact equal parts. All of these are different sizes. So we know that we could cross that one off. We know that this does not show exact equal parts. Now let's look at the triangle. This triangle also is not divided into exact equal parts. These are all different sizes. So we know that we could cross this one off. So that this leaves us with this blue circle that's cut up into four pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this must be the answer, but let's look at it more closely. So this shows that it's been cut up into four exact equal parts. You could see that they're exactly the same. So we know that this is the answer to this question. Select the picture that shows equal parts. This is the picture that shows exact equal parts. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. And you could take a look in the description. There's other videos there that are similar to this one if you need some extra practice. And make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.